Well, good morning from our campsite. We are going to head to Idaho today. We're just going to work our way east with several stops along the way. Well, we have pulled off the side of the road and are putting our feet in the Payette River. Payette. We've seen so many people going down the river in rafts and kayaks. Yeah. I think somebody's about ready to go swimming.
You ready?
Yeah, go for it. Don't dive.
I'm not. I don't know how deep it is. I can't see the bottom.
Was it deeper than you thought?
Huh?
Was it deeper than you thought?
A little deeper than I thought. Was under for a minute.
All right, I'm joining him. I'm going for a swim. Ready?
Whenever you are.
Woo! Somebody's got an umbrella. Well, that was definitely refreshing. We come back from swimming and we kind of have a flat tire. Okay, here's an update. Adam had to put the spare on, and we drove back to a town called Horseshoe Bend in Idaho, and thank the Lord there is like this tire garage. Our tire, I don't know what you call them, I'm not good, but the pressure valve or whatever it is you put the air in was broke, and so it was just, air was just gushing out. Anyway, they fixed that. He's put it back on, and all is well. We have found our camp spot. So we have driven up the mountain. It was like 104, 103 or 104 where we were earlier with the tire. But it's 79 up here, so yeah, we'll take it.